It's back onto the field again. Kotoko, this could be dangerous. Back by Aya. This could be a long hit. Saka, this is it! Kotoko strikes first! Oh my goodness! It's the first hit! And guess who hit Kotoko's first goal? It's the man Kwame Poku with his 4th goal. As far as his play for Kotoko is concerned, but with his 10th Ghana Premier League hit. Well, look at it again. Here's Saka, lovely crossing, so Kwame Poku in that.
You know, at times there are certain things that you anticipate, but it doesn't go your way, so you move from there.
There's a lovely strike and it's in. Oh my goodness, it's Sanya. Visin hit back, and the hit back so hard.
That was a beautiful goal. Looking at,
and guess who hits it? It's the man in a 51 jersey. Nana Lord Amwa. And that's a big run, isn't it? Cancer crosses in! It's and guess who is the poster boy after Samara?
Aprantia, your friend is Patrick or Jabon to Peter Amidu Aqua, or Jim to Patrick, or Pejabon Achimo, a chance for ASANTE Kotoko. Ego ASANTE Kotoko at what?
Yes, and Sano Benino.
A chance, ego. Nasurabi, Jabi.
Nasuri ego. Nasuri, Nasa boy ego. Ego.
ASANTE Kotoko at Watana, a toss when a mouse, Omo Elko, Refinu Samasa.
Legon Cities have also jumped into the lead against Dreams FC and Kotoko. Well, it's proving to reach. We'll talk about Vision FC. They're really missing the presence of their big man. And the man who's really impressed them and have created numerous goal-scoring opportunities this season. I'm speaking about their skipper, Emmanuel Che Bafo, who scored 3 goals this season. Being Vichy's top scorer in this first round of the Ghana Premier League with 3 goals against Mediema, Accra Lions and Legon Cities. Yeah. And I've had the opportunity to keep post in the last 6, 7, 8 games for Kotoko, even when the fans were really on him.